connais une route d'émail qui mène au pays de perles et de...
Hi, I'm Jennifer from Zilli Auto. I don't know if you've heard about this event called Shop the Neighborhood, but I think this is such a great idea. So this weekend we are partaking in this great event called Shop the Neighborhood. I know so many of you already do that, and I'm so appreciative and thankful because I wouldn't be here without you. So as a token of my appreciation, our promotion is our pretty tees. They are now on sale starting today, November 26th. They're 2 for 1. So please come and visit us on the Danforth. Or if you have any other questions, you can follow me on Facebook or on Instagram.
Viens, suis-moi, je connais une route d'émail.